Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to activate Autopilot on Tesla Model Y Juniper. Open Controls, tap Autopilot, toggle Auto Steer and Autopilot features, accept the safety prompts, and set your speed preferences. Ensure seatbelt is fastened and cameras are unobstructed. Complete the prompted calibration drive at safe speeds until visual indicators confirm readiness. Practice in low traffic to learn behavior, and always stay ready to take control for safety. Start by checking software updates and enabling summon and auto steer in settings. Review driver assistance warnings on screen, enable require hands on wheel if desired, and choose follow distance and speed settings. Confirm cameras have clear view and clean sensors. Adjust steering wheel position and mirrors for best visibility. Run a short test on a quiet road to verify lane detection and automatic lane changes before relying on features confidently. Common issues include unavailable autopilot due to cameras blocked or calibration incomplete. If autopilot is grayed out, reboot the touchscreen and power cycle the vehicle, then recheck settings. Clear debris from sensors, update firmware, and ensure driver profile permits autopilot. If lane lines are not detected, adjust speed and retry under better lighting. Contact Tesla support if problems persist after these steps to promptly schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.